top trim is held on with screws and clips. And the screws are kind of hard to see, but there's one right in the middle of the screen. So we'll get those off. I noticed on the chrome trim piece, all of the clips have broken off. And the thing was just very loose from the front, so you can see all the... And there's four pieces in the front we can remove with a trim tool. Just pull those out. Okay, to get this bottom piece off, there are 4 clips, and you got to get your hand or a tool back there to push this in like this. Get it like this. And the same thing with this one. And the other one. Now it's double hard on this car because it has the fog light mounts, which are cover up that thing. So we got to it, and we'll pull this off. Okay, got the bottom piece here, and you can see it's just clipped on in several places. So we're just going to get some flathead screwdrivers. So what we want to do is just lift up those clips and slide it out like that. Lift it up each one. There we go. Then to get this part on here, just line up the grooves and snap it on. Pretty straightforward. Alright, if you've seen any of my videos in the past, you know I like to use white Sharpie, and so I took the Sharpie and put arrows on these things. So if I ever do this again, or somebody else, maybe they'll know which side to push on. Alright, so we cleaned off the bumper real good, and just got to reverse the procedure. Line these pieces up and push, and that's it. So we'll get the... I got the top piece. Just align all the pins up and press them in place. And this will be cinched down with the screws that we did not lose. All right, we got those 4 screws in the top. Go ahead and close it and see what it looks like. Oh, that looks nice. Very nice.